Hello, and welcome to this course, Containerization with Docker and Kubernetes. My name is Carl Otz. I'm an Azure MVP, Microsoft trainer, and a management consultant at Composer Limited. I'm a meetup organizer, podcast host, and an all-round Azure enthusiast. And I've been working on Azure since 2011. Course outline and structure. This course is split into 5 sections. In the first section, we'll discuss benefits of container orchestration and how to set up our development environment. In the second section, we will create a single container application, secure it on our private repository, and run it on Azure. In the third section, we will deploy and manage a Kubernetes cluster on Azure. On the fourth section, we will deploy our application into the Kubernetes cluster. And the last section covers considerations for scale. This means release automation with Visual Studio Team Services, managing our Kubernetes application complexity with Helm, and creating a fully customized Azure Container Service from scratch with Azure Container Service Engine. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video, Benefits of Container Orchestration in Microsoft Azure.